hope you're all doing amazingly well. So today's video is all about the calming blanket, but also top tips on boosting your health and well-being, which in the current times I think is so essential that you're taking care of yourself, and I really wanted to share some of my top tips of how I do that. This is my amazing calming blanket in the shade Ocean. I love it because it matches my wall. I just really wanted to share with you the benefits of having a weighted blanket. So if you didn't know, Calming Blanket is a brand that sells weighted blankets. This is a 9 kg weighted blanket. Absolutely is weighted, but I just love it. You put it on your body and you immediately feel a sense of calm. I think there's something about the weight within the blanket that just provides you with this tranquility and the feeling of feeling protected and safe, which is such a nice feeling. And it also is meant to help you get a really good night's sleep because it gives you that comfort. I'll tell you a little bit more about the product, and I'll also insert their website here so you can take a look at that. So calming blanket, so the inner blanket is sewn with little glass beads, which creates the weighted effect, and this helps your body to immediately relax. A calming blanket is really beneficial to those people that suffer with anxiety, or if you struggle to sleep, or you're just stressed in general. And I think we can all kind of connect with one of those areas, because given the current situation that we're all in and just general life, I think it's sometimes really difficult to just unwind and relax. And that's what's really great about this blanket. I think it just provides you with a tool or an option to actually just give yourself that space and time to just chill. They also do these for children as well, so if your children suffer with anxiety or they genuinely can't sleep, it may be a good option for you to have a look into this. I'll link everything in the description box below, and I also have a £50 code which they gave me, so thank you so much, Calming Blankets. I do not earn any commission off that, by the way. It's just a discount code for my followers. And yeah, I love it. I think it's such an amazing product, and I've never considered buying a weighted blanket before, but being so lately I've just not been getting all that much sleep, and I felt quite stressed due to obviously the current situation. Works obviously can be really hectic. It's just a great option for us, for me to actually just get a good night's sleep. To be honest, I'll just lie on the sofa and I'll read a book, or I'll play my Switch, or I'm flicking through my phone, or I'll drink a coffee in the morning, and just having this on me, it's warm, it's cozy, it's got that weight on me that just makes me feel protected and just comforted almost. And I am so happy with this that I just had to share it with you.
Some other ways I like to really relax to help my well-being is run a hot bath, and I use a Radox Detox like bubble bath, and also like a Lush bath bomb, which I find super comforting. It's full of great products, it's all natural, and it's great for your skin. So that is what I love to do, and it just helps me feel really chilled, and I just feel really de-stressed once doing that. I then like to light a candle or two and just play some music, and that's just amazing. I also think pampering yourself is essential. I love a face mask or a hand mask or a foot mask. This is my Body Blends clay face mask, which I do pretty much every Sunday. I mix and match which face mask I like to do, but this is one that I use on this particular day, and I just feel really at peace, to be honest. I think it's really comforting.
I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And honestly, check out Calming Blankets if you're interested in buying a weighted blanket for yourself, for your children, or for anyone you feel that needs it. And yeah, I love you guys. Be safe, stay well, and I'll see you soon. Bye!